the introduction in the solid liquid extraction. First of all, solid liquid extraction is a method that it can be removed one constituent from a solid in a liquid solvent, and this solid liquid extraction, it can be also known as a leaching or washing. And furthermore, solid liquid extraction widely it can be used when there is a mechanical or thermal method cannot be working. So the solid liquid extraction, it can be liquid extraction. The procedure can include for some. First, a contact of solvent to transfer soluble constituent to the solvent, and the second, the separation and washing of solution from the solid. Now, the example of solid liquid extraction is that the extraction of oil from the soybean flakes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Izwan bin Muhammad Ali. Now I will explain about the principal operation that occur in the solid liquid extraction. First is where it's occur when it's begin when the solvent, which can be hydrophilic, hydrophobic, acidic, base or natural, are mixed with the solid in a container. Then the insoluble material can be separated by the gravity or the vacuum filtration. And the after that, and the soluble material can be extracted into the solvent. As for the sequence of the polarity and pH of the solvent, it can be used to separate complex mixture into group. The filtered solution can be used as a solution, or it can be used as a solvent which can be evaporated to recover the solute, or it can be obtained in the form of powder or crystalline form. That's all for the principal operation.
My name is Syed Muhammad Safwan bin Nasir, and I will simplify about this procedure of solid liquid extraction unit. For the first one, it is a boiler. The boiler will feed with the solvent. As example is an hexane, which has a boiling point of 68 degrees Celsius. After the hexane reach the boiling point, it will rise up to the distillation column, and after a period of time, it will to the condenser. After a few period of time, the condenser will completely change those vapor into the liquid and in contact with the B2, which contain the grains. And the grains will distillate. After a period of time, we will produce the distillate. That's all from me.
Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I would like to present about the safety precaution based on the solid liquid extraction. Alright. First of all, we need to inspect the equipment slowly for the glass breakage and leakage. Next, replace any defective item in accordance with the BP04. After that, check whether the solvent in the tank to approximately filled. In case any emergency, stop the enhancement flow pump and all the electrical switch. After that, open the valve slowly to prevent a pressure surge to the cooling. If the column start the float and liquid begins to accumulate above the reflux separate normally, temporarily switch off the heater. After that, when the solvent level is the reboiler is low, refill the necessary. Always clean the solid container thoroughly, especially through the porous support to prevent mold from growing among the pores. Lastly, do not touch the hot component of the unit. Alright, that's all the safety precaution. Thank you.
For expected result, according from the journal caffeine extraction, which is caffeine was extracted from tea by using solid liquid and also liquid extraction. And then final amount of caffeine extracted could then be used to calculate percent error and percent recovery. In order to calculate the percent error and percent recovery, weight caffeine product and theory weight caffeine also considered. This is how to calculate the percent of error. Percent error equal to expected minus actual divided by expected and times 100%. And for recovery, actual divided by expected and times 100%. That's all.
Extraction is a process of mass transfer that occurs by extracting a substance from solid material that has come into contact with a liquid. So that liquid is very important as it facilitates the ability to remove or extract a substance from solid matrix. Although that the process is not very efficient as the process must be repeated several times to gain highest conversion.